last video at the Axial Ryft, we fitted the trio hardened drive shafts, prop shafts, but more importantly we wanted to try out these Black Mambas from Proline, crush lock wheels as well, the Vice crush locks. Not that impressed with the crush lock wheels, typical plastic trash really, but you decide, you try it. I had to continuously rebead the wheel. Anyways, we ended up with a little problem. The servo, my Reef Raw 500, although it seems to work properly on the car, something seems to be amiss. I can't freely move the servo, not that you should do that, but it shows that there's a problem. So we have this rebuild kit here from Reef. So we're going to take that apart, see whether a shaft or something is bent. Hopefully it's a quick fix. If not, it's another servo, which sucks because it's done very, very little. But anyways, when you crash hard, that's what happens. Micrometer, one Raw 500 Reef servo, and this little fella here from Spectrum, which allows me to balance my batteries, look at my smart batteries stats, and also run a servo without a radio. So let's see what happens. And that shows me a bent shaft. Yep, time to take her apart. So she's nicely wrapped around this link, which was a great idea at the time. Look forward to putting that back. Why do I wrap my servo cables around there? Well, wrapping the cable around something metal helps, I think, remove interference. Secondly, it stops it from the cable from flopping around and getting yanked and broken, I think. She's out, and you can see just here where the servo saver has been rubbing on the servo. This is a trio servo saver. I thought it was pretty good, and it shouldn't have moved. It seemed pretty tight. Anyway, let's open it up. That would explain why it was tight. Let's see whether there's anything else. There she is. You can see the damage. Well, let's take. Normally, I'd just bin this. Get another one, but out of curiosity I want to see what's happened to this. Somebody's had this apart and scribbled on it. Interesting. Board is all protected there in some kind of plastic. Stop it from shorting out.
I think so, mister.
Okay, you're not helping, buddy. You're not helping, mate. Here it is. So, pull that fella out for now. Oh, great. So the seal now not waterproof anymore. So I think this is what's bent. Hard to tell, but I got this from Reef. Always like a sticker. So here's the new one, the old one. You need to fit the bearing. Comes in the kit. This is so in the kit we get a couple of new seals. Different idler gears and reduction gears. Bearing. A couple of shafts. And another seal. So.
Pack this bearing. Give it a little coat.
Popper. Into here. Like so. I am going to also replace this gear that we just took out. And then the shaft. Bit more grease. Grease that seal. Right, the seal is already on there, so that is good. Precision engineering on this is actually second to none. I mean, the interference fit is wow. Anyway, let's fit these two screws.
Little individual grommets on each screw, which is nice to see. Showing again.
This should be waterproof now. Gonna get one new seal out of here. Just a little bit of grease into my fingers and bring that around the seal. This will be fun. Chunky fingers, little seal. It's like an elastic band. As you can see, it's quite stretchy. Quite delicate too. So that's the seal. Back on here. I don't think this is, it is shaped. Just like that. Hopefully that's her fixed. Have I got interference or something binding? I hope not. But what I'll do quickly is put a servo horn on and see if this is free. I know that some of you don't like to see that. You shouldn't really do that to servos, you can damage gears, but I'm going to give it a go, see if this worked. Sounds smooth. I think she's fixed. Happy days. So, there she is. Lives to play again. You know what to do? Smash that bell and subscribe. Thank you for watching.